Akuni Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Too good. Chai. My husband is also there, enjoying. Yeah. But darling, what happened to my akuni chutney?
It smells like.
Guys, Yonchak seed I got here in Germany. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay, we are taking our food also with us, so I'll show you what I prepared. Okay, so here I'm preparing our lunch. I'm gonna make simple prawn fried rice and I'm gonna take tea also. And here I boil the egg for Esther, and here I will put the tea in the flask that it will stay hot. So yeah, quickly I will fix this, okay, because I don't want to eat anything outside. And not only that, when we eat outside money just goes. So yeah, and yeah, home food is the best anyway. Prawn fried rice is also ready and chai is also boiling. So let me pack quickly. Hello, cello. Oh wow, let's do like this then. Chai, later on we will be so happy that we have this. Good job. Esther, why did you remove your socks? Please don't remove your socks. Now Mama will get ready. This flask is very nice. This is from my husband's company, work company. Oh, it's, see, so nice, no? They used to get free the sunscreen, flask, this and that from the company, no? And here, this one I really like. Oh, while traveling, you can put Colgate, toothbrush, anything, okay? So here I will be putting fork and spoon here. Okay, maybe spoon. We don't need fork, or just one fork maybe. Okay, one more fork. Actually, my husband likes to eat with fork, so okay, that's it. Okay, we have okay, we have food, water, plates, cups, we have everything, whatever we need. And this one I'm gonna carry with me today. If I don't take this, it will be a loss. So this I'll take a gimbal. I'll take along with me. Okay, so now we are going. Where are we going, Esther?
In Kinderplay.
Kinderplay? What is Kinderplay?
In
Shopping mall.
shopping mall.
Papa was checking out where we can go. Oh, Papa was checking out where we can go. Papa is taking us to Frankfurt. It seems there is a big shopping mall, so we will also take you guys along with us. So
Kinderplay.
let's go together.
Kinder
Kinder Mall.
Mall.
Let's see what is there, Esther.
I'm
Come along with
exciting.
us.
Mama, we have to wait for the car first. When is it ready? Wow. And here's my seat.
Here is Esther's seat.
And there's Mama's seat.
Yeah.
Daddy's
Here is
seat.
my
And
seat.
Papa.
Oh, Esther, guck mal. Da. Schnuppi. No, im Kino. Schnumpe. Oh, this is cinema hall.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. But it will be in German only, no? Okay, we reached. So we are going to the parking spot now. We came here at the top. Rooftop. Wow. So big, no? Even the parking space. Wow, this is on top of the building, okay, guys? It looks like we are down somewhere, but this is at the top. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we are up, Esther, on top. On the rooftop, Esther. Wow, scary, yeah.
Mama, I see our house.
house is not here. Can't be seen. Our house cannot be seen, Esther. We can see the fields from up here. So guys, we stop here. We are still inside the car and we are hungry. So let's see what I got here. This is the chai. You want chai? Chai, coffee, chai, coffee?
Yeah.
So let me pour chai first. For my hubby. Bitte schön. Very hot.
Thank you.
So here is the prawn fried rice from home. Wowie. Yummy-licious. With garlic, I fried. Garlic prawn fried rice, guys. Here, no, to eat out is very expensive food. Just a snack is also very expensive. So if it's main dish,
Yeah.
No?
Maybe we can buy like pommes ones inside or something like that. No?
Yeah.
Yes, I can snack a little bit, but main food, wow,
Oh yeah, so expensive.
so expensive, yeah.
So here is the food.
Wow,
for
thanks,
you.
yeah.
You're welcome. I like doing this.
Wow, Esti, ne? Mal schön essen, dann gehen wir rein, machen wir Shopping. Vielleicht will die Esti auch was zum
Esther is
Spielen
also
vielleicht.
Vielleicht
Rice.
auch aber Barbie Auto.
Vielleicht, mal gucken.
Esther also likes if I make from home.
Vielleicht, müssen wir mal gucken.
Oder mit einem Mädchen.
Gucken wir mal, ne? Okay?
Oder das sind 2 Euro.
Wir gucken mal, okay, was da gibt für dich, okay?
Oder kann wir etwas aussuchen?
Ja.
Ja, Esther kann dir das aussuchen heute, okay? Ausnahmsweise, okay? Kannst du heute was aussuchen, okay?
Ja.
Let's see what we can find for you, ne, baby?
Mhm.
Esther deserve, ne? More is there, okay, afterwards if you want, because we have to finish. Prawn is there. Oh, my akuni chutney is there, my darling, in there. Yeah. Thank you. Akuni.
Akuni Matata.
Akuna matata. Wow. Where to get this kind of food, yeah? Man. Too good. Chai. The thing is so good, na?
Ist das für Kinder?
Wo denn da? Ich weiß nicht.
Ist das für Kinder?
Okay, we'll eat, okay, guys? My husband is also there, enjoying. There is also Esther enjoying her food. But darling, what happened to my akuni chutney?
It smells like...
Here we are. My husband is like, oh, your akuni chutney. Yeah, what to do? Without akuni, we cannot stay. So we need akuni. We need spice in our life. So now we are going. But feels good. There they are. So here we are inside. This is a wine shop. Yeah. Wow. So much. Oh wow. Look at the fruits there. Wow. This Media Mart. There is CNA. CNA also very good actually. The quality, the clothes quality. Oh, summer sale is going on, 70% off. Here is for the jewelries. This is so another shop. Here also very big mall. This is Mango is here. Sale. I heard Mango brand is also very good brand. But I'm not in shopping. Oh, there is Esther and Mama. There is Esther. There. Wave here. Hello. I don't know, for me, I'm not into shopping and all. I got dizzy if I go and check clothes and all. This is United Color of Benetton. And it's very hard for me to get clothes also. Floral cloth is nice. There is a restaurant. Oh, yeah. Mokhando khailu shide. Jewelries. Side. Tom Taylor. Shoes. Very big. There are flowers also. Begonia. Look at this. So pretty. This is H&M, guys. H&M. Oh. This is so soft and nice. Yeah, we can go out. Yeah, let's go out. Esther wants to go there. I think you have to put coins there, no? Then it will start. Esther, I'm here, okay? Esti? Oh, it's going really high. Esti, I'm here. Don't worry. Not very long, nah? Just for short time. Yeah, expensive. Just for short time. Yeah. They know how to make money. Money.
And they know also kids will make so much drama.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Yeah. Pulling out money. So now Esther is excited.
So who's to put my Barbie or what?
Esther is excited. Yo, lots of Barbie stuff. Yeah. Ah, these are pretty. Esther is into babies. Oh, so many babies are there, Esther. Yeah? You wanna have babies? Oh, yeah. These babies, Esther, here?
Oh, they're so good and pretty.
Yeah, they're so pretty. Elsa, no, that is? Is that Elsa? Oh, she's like, oh, don't know which one to choose. Esther, show me what you got. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. Wow, so many dresses. Barbie dresses. Oh, wow. What is that? I want to jump inside there. Oh, it looks so good. Wow, this is what? Stand there. I don't know. It smells so good for spa and this and that. Rituals. Body wash, this and that. Smells so good. Yeah. Now we are going back. So we'll go to the next shop now, guys. There is Esther, very happy. As soon as she got that Barbie and the dress, She was telling to her papa, it seemed, where is the counter? There is a girl also. Very funny. Oh, Esther is very funny. Let's go to the ice cream shop. Are here also people are eating rice, yeah? Rice. Goa? Yeah, everyone is eating rice. I also brought rice. Yeah. Is that correct? Look at this. Yeah, kids. This is original, okay? So pretty. Crazy. So big, this H&M stories here. Shit, I'm gonna say, aya begunia khan to ki die o ta khan. What they feed them? Yeah, it's so healthy here. Wow, healthy begonias. Wow. That's the shoe shop. You like ice? No ice. Daddy said, yeah, Coke ma. Daddy asked me already permission. So I also agreed, yes. Okay. Daddy and me, we are same team, okay, Esther? First, Daddy asked me, shall I give ice to Esther? So I said, okay, since we are going out, let's treat her. Give her a treat. Okay? Give her a treat. Treat. Shoe shops. Okay, gelato no. Gelato no. Oh, rings. Gold is very expensive in Germany, guys. Okay, let's go for the ice cream. Yeah. So much rush. She rushes today. Look at this. Ooh, guck mal. Ooh la la. Okay, I'll sit there and wait. Ne? I want to have. Wow, you have your ice cream. This is our ice cream. Mine is with blueberry and what?
Yeah, Heidelberg. Heidelberg is blueberry, yeah. Berries, I don't like it.
Okay. Oh, it's dripping. So we are going back to our car now. Our shopping is done. What we did shopping. Look at this, guys. When we go out for shopping, we end up buying things for Esther. Nothing for us. Now we will go to the Asian store. Let's go and find out what will be there. This is real painting, guys. It's not a poster or a sticker. Who painted this? Yeah, so real. Oh. See, yeah, so good. And the whole house is painted, na? That side. Also? This also real.
It's good, yeah.
Yeah, looks so good. Wow, so nice, yeah. He might show us.
Okay.
It doesn't cost anything to be kind. There also, that girl is also doing the same thing. Yeah, for pocket money, no? Students. And they get some money. That's nice. Hello, Frankfurt.
Hello, we are in middle of Frankfurt.
Middle of Frankfurt.
Frankfurt. Nice,
Here the
nice
buildings are very different, no?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. And lots of cycles. Ah, Esther, so pretty. Look at this. Yeah, full of trees and beautiful buildings.
Oh, this building was so different, yeah.
Yeah, really. So pretty.
So much love with you.
Na 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 na. What is doing?
The balls,
Did you
no?
see? With the ball, see? He's showing some talents there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Two balls together. I didn't. Wow. Oh, acha. Wow. Now he'll come to collect money.
Brother.
Just he saw it. I think that's good.
Okay, bitteschön.
Oh, he's happy.
Of
Yeah,
course.
because in the sun, no. Oh, yeah, standing and
Yeah.
that's nice. Oh yeah, that house is really nice. Wow.
If you get like at one stop, if you get 3-4 euro, see how much 10 stops you can have 40 euro like that.
Yeah. He can
Very
earn.
fast it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. That's why also they are doing, no?
Yeah. So it's
If-
also good. But at least
good
they're
for
doing
them.
something, no?
Yeah.
Instead of just begging.
Yes.
Oh, merci.
Oh, merci means thank you in France. That means he's from France.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How come you know France language also?
No merci only. It's just thank you. No?
Okay, merci. Here
And this
also
all-
painting.
After-
Even that I don't know for me. So, okay guys, we are home, Khor Pungchishe, and I could not make video when I went to the Asian store because already it took me more than 1 hour to do shopping. Why? Because I was checking, I was going around the Asian dokan de jadam de do moi video banabole parnai moi ek khonda bara over thakise de kile mane sob check kurise aro sob to lobo na pare ki lobo pare dokan bi bishi check kurise na to moi ki anishi to apni anke dekhai dibo de. I'm so excited. So what did I bought from there? I'll show you guys. So excited. This one chives rapzo, I got it, and all in all, I paid 68 euro 35 cents. 68 euro 35 cents is how much, my darling?
90, yeah, 6,500 maybe.
6,500 plus all in all. So I'll show you what I bought that is very expensive. So, and I don't know how to tell you the price because they are writing vegetable. So which one is which vegetable? I don't know. Okay, but the things that I know, I'll let you know. So this is the chive. Or maybe this chive is 1.50 or what? I don't know. 1.50 was there, and I took bitter gourd also. Bitter gourd is also very expensive. 3 euro 57 cent. 3 euro is like 18, 21, 300 rupees nishna asnegi. Inka aro squash. Finally, I found squash in Germany, guys. Look at this. Squash. I could afford only 2 pieces. Duitai lo parishide. Squash also very expensive. You do 600 nishna say it's around 600. And kuchu also I got taro roots. Expensive. Everything is expensive, but at least we get to eat, so now that's why. And bamboo shoot, I got this bamboo shoot also. It smells really good, fermented one. Bamboo shoot is called what in German? Bamboo?
Maybe.
But here nothing is written bamboo. I don't see any bamboo. Okay, anyway, 2 packets I took. This one, I don't know how is it. Anyway, and chili, dry chili also I took. Okay, and then there is 2 types of YY. This I took for making sinju sometimes. 4 packets, and this one is okay. This one is oyster sauce anyway. And then frozen food also I took. What is it? Very exciting one. Okay, this one I took. See, zeng gudi chutney banai gina khabo nimide na. Itu bi loise. And this one also I took long beans. Long beans is langabonen na, madali? Langabonen. Ah yeah, it costed 3.60. Is how much?
3.60 for a few bones.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
200 grams.
Oh my goodness.
How much?
350 like that.
350 rupees for this, guys.
200 grams. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I'm trying to grow, not able to grow. And this one, Burmese dhania, I got it. I'm so happy. I saw some roots here, so I'll try to plant this one. So this Burmese dhania is how much? Oh, I don't know. Which one is Burmese Tanya? I don't know. It's not written there. And then guys, Yonchak seed I got here in Germany. First time. Ayo, this one is patent basis. How much is this? I want to know this. Oh, this is also around 300. Hey, ayo yo. Peshi damase. Makur mas pi paise de. Itu makur mas to kimana se catfish. Yeah, 650 for 450 grams. Not even half kilo. Okay. Dun. Over frog. First time in Germany, frog. So happy. 14 euro. Okay, price is written here. This frog is 14 euro, guys. Wow. Arokia, see? Dun. Crab. Hapfuro. This crab is how much? 7 euro. Yeah. So I'm gonna cook all this one day, not today. So this is our shopping, okay, for today. 68 euro something. So I will keep all this in the freezer, and I check the date also. I can eat this very long. 2027 is the expiry date. This is 2028, and the frog is valid till when? I have to check out. Okay, so this is it, our shopping. So came home but tired, but what to do? Need to cook. I have a family, so now I'm here in my greenhouse. I need coriander, so I'm plucking this coriander here. I'm plucking this coriander. I'll be making just one curry, simple curry, beef curry, no, with gravy. So let's go and check potato also. I don't have potato at home, but then in my garden there is potato. So let's go and check, okay? Hopefully there is potato inside. So let's go and take out together. Okay, this will be fine. Yeah. Look at this lettuce. So healthy, no? Here, see, all the leaves has died. The leaves has all died. So let's check potato here, okay guys? Hopefully there will be potato. Where is it? Okay. Okay, curry is also ready, guys. Beef soupy soup. So let me add the coriander here. Finishing touch, dhania pata, and this is leaf that I fried. So now we will eat. It was a long day today. There they are eating. There is also Esther eating. There is also Mama eating. Yonchak seed, chutney, and this is the zingzangudi leaf. Let's eat. Actually, this one I found on the way, this leaf. I know it's edible, and my husband is like, do you think it's clean? The dog didn't pee there.
Oh, Papa, die Bunny hat gegessen den Hund.
Der Bunny hat den Hund gegessen?
Ja!
Was?
Das gibt's nicht!
Ja, das gibt's nicht.
Kara sila Yonchak do. This is different. But
Hast du das zur Seite gelegt oder was?
Für dich.
Sonst Acha, खाई लो बोदे. Good night. ऐसा say good night.
Good night.